there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you girls how to do this easy heat wave summer hairstyle that is so elevated and chic. So what you need is hair elastic and bobby pins. Let's begin by securing the hair into a medium-high ponytail. First, I like to leave some fringe in the front to frame my face, and I will scoop the rest of my hair up from behind my ears and using my brush to smooth out my hairs to create a ponytail. The general rule of thumb here is that you follow the line from the outer corner of your eyes all the way to the back to find the most flattering height of your ponytail. Once I have my ponytail in the right position, I'm going to secure my hair with a hair tie. Next, take the top section of your hair and then divide this into two equal pieces, making sure they are completely sectioned off from one another. Tie these together so we will bring the right piece over the left and then loop the left piece up and put it through the hole nice and tight. As you see, I twist the left piece around so that it's easier to loop the piece up and put it through. Now it should look similar to this. Try to keep a hold of your ends in your hands. Now just gather another sections of your hair and divide them into two equal pieces and join them into your ends and make sure they are completely sectioned off from the rest of your hairs. Once joined, tie another knot the same way, bringing your right piece over your left piece and loop your left piece up and put it through the hole nice and tight. And you want this to sit just below the previous one. Grab the last section of your hairs, dividing them into last two pieces and join them into your ends. Repeat the same step as before, creating another knot nice and tight. Once you're done, secure it with a hair tie and create a bun on the end. This will make tucking your ends underneath so much easier later. Now hold your braid up to where you want it to sit and then press it firmly against your head with your another hand. Just begin bobby pinning the outside of your knots. Start at the top and hook a small piece of your hair with your bobby pin and then just push it against your head and slide it towards the center. And just repeat on the outside of all the knots until everything is held into place. Then, tuck in your bun on the end and bobby pinning it until